Well, hey, Dodgers. I mean, it's a big story here in L.A. Last night's World Series game had a lot of incredible highlights. One of the stranger moments, though, came when Dodgers star player Justin Turner was suddenly pulled late in the game because he tested positive for the coronavirus. Yeah. Now, with all the players quarantining during the series, people are wondering, how did he get the coronavirus? How could this have happened? But if you watch last night's game, well, sadly, I think the answer's obvious.
And batting next, shortstop Joey Wendell. While they clear the plate, folks, let's have a little fun with our Game 6 cough cam. There's a little cougharoo. Anything will do. Oh, cough cam in the dugout. Can we get some love from Coach Bob Guerin? There he is. Mask off, coughs out. That's a grand slam of germs, and the crowd's loving it. What do we have here? No cough, but that player is spitting pretty. How about that? Look at all that